Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to unbox Mistral 5 notebook cooling pad. So let's unbox it. It has 4 fans on the sides and one big fan in the middle. And in the box, we will find one USB power cable. And on the back side, it has an adjustable stand plus two USB and two power buttons. One power button for big fan and one for the all small 4 fans. So now we will place the laptop on it. All 4 fans are working and the middle one is also working. So that's it for today. See you in the next video.